bought a new servo for the scx10.3, so I decided to make a servo winch out of the old servo. Dismantled the servo that I'm going to use to make the servo winch. I tried to get the pin out, but it wouldn't come out, so I ended up dremeling it off. Okay, so you now slide that out of there. And undo, where is it, that screw. Cut those wires. Now hopefully that should just pull out, like so. Oh no, all the gears fell off. Okay. Solder the new wires on the motor. Kept the waterproof little plug, and then soldered the other connector on the other end. All back together. New connector on. Hopefully it's going to work. My new servo winch is in, all done. Fair lead. Servo winch at the front. Goes through to the Chinese winch controller, which then goes into my 5-channel Spectrum receiver, and all gets controlled from the E button. Whoop, where are we? There. Sick. Okay, first real test. Okay, here we go. Holy shit. Look at that. Holy shit.